Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and again, as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. As I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making videos on each and every topic, so you people can understand it in a very easy way. And friends, do like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. And friends, what I'm doing is I'm giving number to each and every video, so whenever you see the video sequence wise, you will understand in a better way. So if you come 1 2 3 4 in that way. So this is our 56 number video, friends. Okay, so in our last video we have covered the topic called twin soul, and in this video I am going to cover the topic called good or evil is your choice, friends. Okay, so I will start. Okay, the date is 5/6/1981, 5th June 1981, and the topic is good or evil is your choice. You must have read books, heard sermons, or been taught in a school and by your older relative and friends about what is right and what is wrong. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that we have been taught us from childhood that to differentiate between the correct and the wrong. We have always taught there are always two ways, like one is right, one is wrong, and we should always select right way. We should be able to make the difference between the correct and the wrong, and how to improve yourself. But some of you don't bother to listen or read. Some soul will say. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that we are have been always taught from childhood that we should always follow the right path. We should always be in a godly path, but we always refuse to follow the right path and be in the godly path. We always, most of us, select the negative path. Why shouldn't I do this? It gives me pleasure to harass someone. I feel very happy when I fool someone, and it is very joy to harm or rob someone. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling many soul think, why should I do that? By telling lies, by cheating to others, soul, by giving problem to others, I feel happy. I feel enthusiastic and I feel enjoyable. If I feel nice by doing all these negative things, by robbing people, why should I be good? We ask those soul, don't you feel happy when you help someone? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling when this soul says that by doing negative thing we feel happy. So Vipsi and Ratu said we ask to all the souls that when you help other person, do you feel sad? You don't feel happy? Let's see what's the answer. Don't you feel at peace when you forgive someone who has harmed you? Don't you rejoice when you make someone happy? Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling when we help to other, don't you feel happy? When you forgive some other person, those who have harmed to you, you don't feel happy or what? Or when you help somebody, you don't feel happy? If these things don't make you happy, but those awful bad things do, we feel very sorry for you. We pity you. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling by doing these good things, if you do not feel happy, you do not feel good, we are very sorry for you. We are very sorry by doing this good karma, you do not feel happy, and by doing bad karma, you feel happy. Every person has good and evil in him, but it is entirely your choice whether to be good or bad. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling every person, we all of us have evil things also in us and even good things also in us. So it is completely our choice that we want to choose the evil things in our life or we should choose the good things in our life. That is the main point. It is definitely a great thing to control and control the bad and bring out the good in yourself. So it's very important for us to control the bad and to bring good things out from us. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. If you feel happy when you harm others, derive pleasure from fooling others, or become elated by harassing others, isn't this right time to ask God Almighty for His help, guidance, and blessing for your improvement? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that by doing negative thing, if we feel happy, so this is the right time. You call God for help. You call God, ask. You say God that God, please help me. But why I am so negative? Why by doing such a negative thing I am happy? So we should request God so that God will make us positive. Okay, friends. This topic comes to an end. So in our topic, today's topic, I have covered good or evil is your choice. Okay. So, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the topic called Spirit Communication Helps Comfort Loved Ones on Earth, right? As I always say, friends, this book is this long and I cannot make full book in one video. So, what I'm doing is that I'm making this full book in each and every part so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay, and do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. Okay, friends, till then, bye. Stay blessed, take care, and meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.